The undefeated Bronner steps into the ring.
I don't think it's going for full 12 rounds. I'm going for the knockout. I can promise you this. It's going to get ugly.
A typical Bronner is like this. Keeps taunting on his opponent. Ganito siya kaangas, di ba? Most especially in this match dahil undefeated siya. Pero unang round pa lang, binakbaka na agad. Kaya ang kanyang ginawa para itago ang sakit, look at what he is doing. Pero si Maidana, mas lalo niya lang ginalit dahil doon. Kaya patuloy ito sa pagbakbak sa kanya. And he was caught off guard on that left hook. Ayon. Look at his legs. He is so wobbly. Trying to maintain his balance as he tried to step. Nagdrama pa. But the referee did not buy it. The fight must go on. Look at Maidana. He just returned the favor. And there you go. Another left na naman. Ayon, tuloy. Sa
No, 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 no.